Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore one of the world's most famous and beloved fast foods, fried chicken. Who wouldn't be enchanted by the crispy outer layer and the tender, juicy meat inside of fried chicken, right? From major global brands to small eateries, fried chicken has become a symbol of rich, crispy flavor. But have you ever wondered, what steps does our favorite fried chicken go through to transform from a live chicken into a delicious, crispy piece? Each piece of fried chicken goes through a long journey from the farm to the processing plant and finally to the kitchen. In this video, we'll dive into each stage of the fried chicken production process, from the time the chicken is a chick on the farm until it reaches our dining table. On this journey, we will learn about all the steps, from selecting breeds and raising chickens in a controlled environment to the preliminary processing and cooking stages. Each step requires meticulous attention and precision to ensure the highest quality. To create the perfect fried chicken, it all starts with selecting the right breed. Not all chickens are suitable for fried chicken. The ideal chickens are usually white meat broilers, known for their tender meat structure and large meat yield, making them perfect for fried chicken preparation. Selecting chicken breeds requires strict control and deep biological knowledge. Large farms use advanced technology to analyze genes and identify chickens with the best growth potential. The goal is to select chickens with high resistance, rapid growth, and genetic traits suited for processing purposes. Farm specialists begin the selection process while the chickens are still eggs, evaluating each egg based on its size, shape, and weight. Eggs that do not meet the standards are discarded to ensure only the best ones are incubated. The incubation process takes place in a tightly controlled environment. Temperature, humidity, and light are adjusted precisely to ensure a high hatching rate and healthy chick development. Every small detail is crucial, as even a minor error can impact the chick's growth. After hatching, the chicks undergo health checks to detect any early signs of illness. They are sorted once more to ensure that only the healthiest chicks proceed to the next stage of rearing. After thorough selection, the chicks begin their journey to maturity in a specially controlled rearing environment. This is a critical stage in the production process, as the care provided in living conditions directly impact the quality of the chicken meat. To create the best conditions for the chicken's growth, the temperature and lighting in the rearing area are carefully controlled. When the chickens are young, the environment is kept warm to ensure they don't get cold and can comfortably adapt to their new surroundings. Not only the living environment, but also the chicken's diet is essential. Their feed is a mix of grains, plant-based proteins, and minerals to promote muscle development and a strong immune system. In the early stages, the diet focuses on nutrients that support bone growth and immunity, while in the maturity stage, it shifts to a nutrition plan aimed at muscle growth. Throughout their development, farm specialists regularly monitor the chicken's health to ensure they are disease-free and growing well. If any signs of illness are detected, the affected chickens are promptly isolated and treated to prevent any impact on the entire flock. When the chickens have matured and meet size standards, they are harvested. This is a crucial stage in the production chain, as the preliminary processing and quality inspection directly impact the meat quality when preparing it as fried chicken. The preliminary processing begins with cleaning the chicken, removing feathers and unnecessary parts. This is a crucial step to ensure the chicken is processed in a clean and safe environment. All stages are conducted under strict supervision to comply with food safety standards. After cleaning, the meat portions are sorted and undergo a final quality check. Each piece of chicken must meet standards for cleanliness, thickness, and size before moving on to the cooking stage. After the chicken is processed and sorted, the next step is seasoning. This is one of the key secrets to creating the unique flavor of each fried chicken brand. In large processing plants, seasonings are mixed and applied according to each brand's unique recipe. Each type of spice plays a specific role in creating a balanced flavor. Salt enhances the saltiness, pepper adds a hint of heat, chili powder gives a mild kick, and garlic or onion powder boosts the aroma of the chicken. The next step is breading. This is one of the most critical stages in the fried chicken preparation process, as the crispy coating largely determines the dish's deliciousness and appeal. The final and most essential step, frying the chicken. To achieve perfect crispiness while keeping the meat tender inside, each piece of chicken is fried in hot oil at the optimal temperature. When the chicken is immersed in hot oil, the outer batter puffs up, creating the signature crispy coating. The oil temperature must be kept steady, typically between 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is too low, the coating will become soggy and absorb oil, while if it's too high, the batter will burn before the inside is fully cooked. When the chicken reaches the perfect golden color, it is removed and drained of excess oil. At this point, the chicken is at its optimal crispiness, ready for the final step, being served to customers. So, we've journeyed through the entire process of creating crispy, irresistible fried chicken. From selecting breeds, rearing, processing, seasoning, breading, to frying, each step is carried out meticulously and professionally to ensure the highest quality. Hopefully, the next time you enjoy a piece of fried chicken, you'll remember all the effort and dedication behind this dish. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more exciting content ahead. Have you ever wondered how the crispy potato chip you're enjoying was created? Making each golden, crunchy slice involves a long journey that begins in lush green potato fields, goes through numerous complex and precise stages, and ends as a familiar snack on your table. Today, let's explore this amazing journey together. Every potato slice you enjoy goes through a strict care process, from the farm to the factory with state-of-the-art production lines, all to preserve the unique flavor and crispiness of potato chips. Let's follow the journey from tending the potato plants, harvesting, and selecting each high-quality potato, to frying, packaging, and bringing it to you. This is not just a production process. It's a transformation journey of nature and technology, where every potato chip has its own story. Caring for potatoes is no easy task. Water must be supplied regularly to maintain the right soil moisture, but not so much as to cause waterlogging. This careful balance helps the plants grow optimally, yielding high-quality potatoes. At harvest time, modern machines gently lift each potato from the ground, ensuring they stay fresh and undamaged. The potatoes are then transported to storage facilities where temperature and humidity conditions are carefully controlled. Here, the potatoes are stored at low temperatures in a dry environment. This process helps preserve their freshness, color, and quality while awaiting processing. Before processing, each potato goes through a meticulous selection process. Only those that meet standards for size, color, and shape are moved to the next stage in the production line. Thanks to modern technology, the cleaning process is easier and more efficient than ever. Potatoes are cleaned with high-pressure water, which removes all dirt from their surfaces, preparing them for the slicing stage. After being cleaned, the potatoes are fed into a slicing machine. Each potato is thinly and evenly sliced, just enough to achieve the perfect crispiness when fried without becoming too fragile. With precise thickness, each evenly sliced potato ensures an even frying process, helping the chips retain their original flavor and crispy texture. After completing all processing stages, the potatoes are sent to an automated packaging line. Each bag of chips is vacuum sealed, or filled with inert gas to maintain their crispiness and freshness for an extended period. Each packaged bag of chips is then placed into boxes, ready to be shipped to stores, restaurants, and finally to the hands of consumers. A long journey is completed, bringing potatoes from the farm to you while preserving their original flavor. However, the journey of potato chips doesn't end there. When the chips reach the consumer, the final step is frying. This is the stage that transforms each potato slice into a golden, crispy delight. The frying process requires care and precision. Each potato slice must be fried at the right temperature and for the right amount of time to achieve perfect crispiness. After frying, they are drained of oil and can be seasoned if desired. So, we've explored the complete journey of a potato chip, from the farm to the factory and all the way to your table. Behind each crispy chip is a dedicated process involving the hard work and care of many people, from farmers to factory engineers. Whether you enjoy packaged potato chips or make them at home, remember that they are more than just a snack. They represent a journey of dedication, love, and technology.